The next one is a flow measurement. Actually, flow rate measurement meaning is discharge measurement. The discharge measurement means how much amount of the volume, volume of the fluid per second it is discharging you are going to find. So what is the unit of this? Meter cube per second or liter per second? How much amount of the liter per second it is discharging? So you are going to find the flow rate based on that. There are many differential pressure measuring devices. This one you might have studied in engineering design and analysis. They are fluid mechanics. The differential pressure measuring devices based on Bernoulli's theorem. So there are venturimeter, nozzles, orifice plate. So different type of differential pressure measuring devices are there. The differential pressure you are going to measure, and then after that the discharge Q equal to, there will be a formula Q equal to A1 A2 into root of 2GH divided by root of A1 square minus A2 square. Based on this you can find out the discharge. This H is the differential pressure you are going to measure using this. The A1, A2, what will be the inlet area and what will be the outlet area you are going to find. Based on this, there will be a constant you are going to multiply with CD, that is the discharge coefficient. Based on the device it will vary, 0.98 or 0.96, like that it will vary. So using this formula you can find out the discharge using this nozzle, orifice plate or venturimeter. So these are all some basic devices in which we can measure the flow. Then there are certain rotary flow meters available. In rotary flow meters, so there are two different types, positive displacement and turbine type. So for example, so the rotary type you take, so there will be a rotor. In almost all these rotary flow meters, what way we are measuring? We are measuring the speed of this rotor. So this is the turbine type. You see here, this is the water will flow or the fluid will flow. What will happen if it is flowing? If it is flowing here, based on this flow rate, this rotation will vary. So it will get more rotation when the flow rate is high. It will get less rotation when the flow rate is low. You are going to measure what will be the speed of the rotor. The speed of the rotor you can use the encoder, you can use the proximity type sensor. So many types you can use. Inductive type sensors you can use to measure the speed of the rotor. So you are going to measure the speed of the rotor, and then after that you are going to equate with the flow rate. If more flow rate means more speed will come, less flow rate means less speed will come. So the speed you are going to measure, then automatically you are going to measure the flow rate. Almost all rotary type of potentiometers are using this rotational speed as a variable, and then after that you are going to find how much the flow rate. Okay, so this is one of the flow rate measurement, the rotary type of flow meters. Okay, so that's all in this chapter 4. Now we are going to see about chapter 5, actuators. Okay.